So I recently bought the most expensive pair of fake Yeezys that I can find on the market, and I did an unboxing of them, which is this pair right here out of the two. And in that video, you saw that they actually gave me a free fake boost ball as well. And I wanted to show you guys the differences between the fake boost ball and the authentic boost ball in this video. What is going on, guys? Hess here from CollectiveKicks.com. If you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals, check the link in the description, and happy shopping. In this video, I want to show you guys the fake boost ball as well as compare it to the real boost ball, and just show you guys some of the subtle differences that I saw from both of the balls. And just a disclaimer in the beginning of the video so you guys know, I definitely do not support buying replicas. If you guys want to buy replica pairs of sneakers and you know that they're replicas, that's totally on you. I am just showing you guys my experience and what I ended up buying when I tried to get the expensive pair of replicas and compared them to the authentic thing, kind of for your guys' sake, because I think that there's a lot of people out there that are just naive to the market and think that because they're buying from an open market means that they're going to get an authentic product and they might have got a really good deal on something. But the reality is you could get stung on something and spend $600 or $700 on a pair of shoes and end up getting a fake pair and not even know it. So this is just general education for sneakerheads out there that are new to the market and don't really realize that there is a ton of replica products on the market that are really close to the authentic things. And just a reminder, I did pay for my fake pair of Yeezys, and this price point on this one was $180, which was the most expensive pair that I found on the market. It did come with a free boost ball though, that was a replica, so I'll show you guys that as you can see. So this is a replica boost ball right here, and this is the authentic boost ball right here. So in this video, I wanted to make note of 5 key differences between the authentic and the replica boost ball, but I do want to note once again that these replica companies can make adjustments to any of these changes at any given point. So if they end up getting corrected, don't be duped down the line. Just again, remember to buy from trusted sources if you're trying to buy something like this. And if the price is too good to be true and way under market cost, then you know it probably is not a real deal. So let's go ahead and show you guys the 5 differences that I found. So the first major difference between the replica boost ball and the authentic is the replica has a bunch of little nibs all over the outside of the ball that are way more pronounced on the fake boost ball versus the real boost ball. You can see the real one has some nibs actually, but they're really small and they don't stand out very much. So that's definitely the first indicator. The second indicator that it's a fake boost ball to me was the pellets. These pellets on the authentic ball are very pronounced, and you could see they kind of stick out sort of like a brain. Versus the replica one, they're not as pronounced. It's kind of merged together a lot more. So that is definitely an easy tell as well. So the third thing to note about the replica boost ball that is easy to identify is that there's a line straight down the middle of the Adidas logo, and it stands out much more on the fake one versus the authentic one. You can see a line down the middle on the real one, but not as pronounced, and it doesn't stick out as much as on the replica. So the fourth thing to make note of on the fake boost ball is if you rotate the boost ball backwards like this, you can see that the Adidas address is actually printed upside down and in bigger, bolder letters than on the authentic boost ball. And just to show you guys, this is one authentic boost ball, second authentic boost ball, third replica boost ball. So the fifth and final thing to make note of that the fake boost ball doesn't have is if you rotate this way, you'll see the real one has a little bit of a hole in the boost ball right there. So to the right, if you're facing the boost ball, to the right of the boost ball right here, there's an end cap. And on the fake boost ball, when you rotate, there actually is no end cap like on this one. So again, real boost ball, fake boost ball. There's a difference right there of the cap. So those are 5 differences to make note of for the boost balls out there. Hopefully this video is helpful for anybody out there that's trying to buy a boost ball and not really knowing if you're going to get a real or a fake one in the mail. A lot of people actually wondered how to get a boost ball, and it's something that Adidas just doesn't sell at this point. When I went to ComplexCon, I ended up getting another one for free, and I know some people over at Adidas that actually gifted me a bunch of boost balls, and then I gave a bunch of them away to other YouTubers and to some subscribers as well. So I don't have any extras, and these are the only 2 authentic ones that I have left that I could find. I thought I had 3, but I can't find my 3rd one. And I ended up getting this fake boost ball from the purchase of those zebras. So, and I don't know if you get a fake boost ball with every purchase, but it seems like random companies will end up giving you a boost ball and they don't really tell you that it's happening. So it's kind of like not an incentive for you to go buy a fake one because you just really don't know if they're going to include the boost ball. I did want to show you guys a little bit of a bounce test though.
Whoa. Oh man, that was a good throw. Oh, good throw. You got down there, good throw.
For those interested in the performance of the fake boost ball, I mean, it bounces like a real ball. If you look at these two side by side, they pretty much bounce the same for those wondering. This is a fake one right here. I mean, it bounces like the regular boost ball, so it's not like muffled or muted like I would have expected. It feels, if you look at the squishiness of the ball, this is a fake one. It feels a little bit like a real boost ball. And then this one is the real one. It feels a little bit firmer, honestly. The real boost ball feels a little bit firmer than the fake one. That's my kind of tell. Like this is firmer than this one right here. So the replica sneaker world has definitely got a little bit crazy, a little bit too close for comfort in my opinion. Hopefully these major companies are taking note of these replicas and trying to make some sort of changes for having them be available on the market, considering they lose out on revenue for every pair of replicas that ends up selling. So it's kind of a missed opportunity for the brands if they don't control the replica market better. And right now it's just running rampant. But that's pretty much the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing the difference between the two different types of boost balls. And again, if this was informative to you and if you guys like to see more of these type of videos, leave a thumbs up in the video and leave a comment what you liked about the video. It is much appreciated when you guys leave me the feedback. Then it helps me know what to deliver to you guys in the future. Anyways, thank you guys for stopping by and watching the video. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Hit the notification bell when you want to be notified of videos that I post. And if you guys want to click the screen at this time, you can go ahead and watch another video on my channel. Thanks again for watching. Some more videos soon. Peace, guys.
What is this one? Yeah. Yeah, it says boost.